All right, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, everybody. What's shaking my bacons? Couple of things early. Do not trade gold today. All right. It already has a 26 RSI. I wouldn't even look at it unless it gave us a 50 or 60 point move. There is no reason to get involved in that thing today whatsoever. This is our last day of boot camp. So welcome back to all my boot campers. It has been a very good week of trading. It has been a very good week of learning. It is Take It Easy Friday. I am on micros all day, relaxing. We got a couple orders out in the ESs, which we like. MESs, I'm sorry. Everybody push their own buttons, obviously, but I'm just telling you what I am doing today. Relaxing. Scotty is great. You got that right. We had a great slow markets last night, so there's really no reason to even for anybody to even trade today if you were with us in slow markets. That is included in any of our courses. We had a really good night last night. Knock, knock, knock on wood. So we are really taking it easy today. We'll see if we can get a turn and burn. I think 945 could be another turn and burn. So if you have a few accounts, let me look at the news across the nation. What's the news across the nation? We have got that information. So PPI at 8:30. Oh, no, that's it. The other thing is on Monday. So just PPI. That is it. Otherwise, Jimmy crack corn and I don't care. We have a Fibonacci up there that someone posted at 78 in the MESs. Yeah, Tuesday was a tough day for churn and burn fashion. It did not work. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. Fibonacci's, fibs are Fibonacci's. We get about half of our trades based on Fibonacci's. We teach you how to do that in the course. Today, guys and girls, is going to be watch lists and scanners with Ken. And then it's going to be advanced options with Kevin. We're going to start early, so nobody has to be here all day. I have to get out of here a little early. I'm going to the Big Max event down in Hollywood, Florida. 3-day event, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Me and Peter will be presenting on Saturday morning for about 3 hours. Interviews, just talking, taking questions and stuff. So again, guys and girls, give me some ones if everybody understands that today is not a day to be aggressive in anything. Please. Please, please, please. Well, let me ask everybody in the trading room, how was this week? How has the week been? Good or bad? And I'm telling you guys, if you have followed all of our rules, it's been a very good week. Exactly. Ooh, Ken's going to do breakout range trades today too. Beautiful. Yeah, just don't trade gold. Why are you going to put yourself in that position? I could care less if we get any trades today. We still have a lot of learning to do in the boot camp. Okay. So chill out. At the end of the day today, guys and girls, I haven't traded. I've decided to only trade with you guys. Well, thank you, Fashion. Again, we are not a signal service. We are not telling you what to buy and sell. Disclaimer, disclaimer, disclaimer. We're trying to teach you our system, which works more often than it doesn't. Bottom line, if you follow all the rules all the time. If you're doing some churn and burns, use code WSGTA with Apex. You want to check out our courses, go to WSGTA.com. All of our courses include, oh, you're welcome, Claudia. Absolutely amazing. Tons of learning. Thank you for a great boot camp. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. All of our courses include those Tuesday and Thursday nights, 7 hours of extra trading, plus the courses and yada, yada, yada. So we are kind of in nowhere's land right now. We're going to cancel even those 2 orders before 8:30. We have had historic. I'm doing this for 45 years, guys and girls. Not 45. How old am I? 65. Yeah, it's a long time. And I have never seen volatility like this, especially in gold. So There's no reason that there have been more accounts blown up in the last week. Apex, Take Profit Trader, Top Step, they are making gazillions of dollars this week. I can tell you that right now. Gazillions. A day is right. Lots of red on the board. There is nothing up except a couple of stocks that had earnings. I tried to short this UVXY, the fear index, yesterday at 40. We missed it by 10 cents. It's down $4. Insane. Well, let's get our orb set up, even though we got an hour and a half. Jeez. Orb trade has been very, very good to us, especially in slow markets when things are a little calmer. It's been really good. Morning, Damien. They should give us our money back for Tuesday since they malfunction. Not going to happen. Not going to happen. That's oil doing anything? Nothing. Nothing, honeys. Oil, not in our swing range yet. Yes, they are. What are they doing, Scooter? They're giving you your money back? Oh, good. I hope they do. No, I didn't get an email. Somebody got an email? HL? I haven't even looked at it. Where are we? What we say? 23 and 22? Ooh. Anyone in the HL? It hit both 23 and 22. And it's back up to 23.50. I would take some profits. They did wipe away the losses from that day. Okay, cool. Marianne, are you in the HL swing? Even if you just got in at 23, right? Take 75 cents on it. Boom chakalaka. And then have a break-even stop and add back at 22. Scotty, our numbers were 23 and 22, right? If I remember correctly. Let me get Scotty and Ken up there. Yeah. $100+ in slow markets all week. Yes. If you had a trade during the outage, they took away your losses. All right, cool beans. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Love is in the air. Ba, 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 ba. Anyone who is joining us this morning, I can get you guys into our live trading room all of next week. If you send me an email, come hang out with us. Doesn't cost a nickel. Send me an email. Yeah, please forward the email to me if you have my my email. Yes. We are promises in the dark. So all I'm getting ready to do is churn and burn now. In 9 minutes. Again, we're going to cancel these orders. We're going to wait till after that news comes out. Got it. Thank you. Free education, I say. That's right. Send me an email. You can come hang out in our trading room all of next week. Yes. Thank you, Alex. Wow, that was very nice of Apex. It's the first time I've ever seen that. They let you keep the gains and got rid of the losses. That's incredible. I don't think we were trading during that time because we knew what was going on. So I don't think many people traded. All right, so we'll get ready to churn and burn. These orders are good for a couple of minutes. We are not trading gold. 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 I'm not even putting an order out in gold. I'm not even looking at gold. Well, I'm looking at it, obviously. BMNR is getting down to my swing territory, guys. This is the one that trades with Bitcoin. I'd like to see it make new lows. The lows down here were about, what, 24 bucks? Where are we at 26? Yeah. I'll leave a marker out down there at 24 if we get down there. Start a little swinger. I'll tweet that out to everybody if we get there. Other thing that we give everybody, guys and girls, anyone who has any of our courses, gets our Twitter sphere where we do our swing trades, options trades. Wow, gold just got the smack-a-dacka, whack-a-dacka, cack-a-dacka. This is why we don't trade gold, guys and girls. Insane. This bar, guys, this bar is 50 points. 50 points on that bar. Chill it. Chill the wine. Dig that girl. Do not touch. Do not touch. Whoa, what the hell did I do? Oh, man. In the dark. Baby, give it up. Do not touch gold. Do not touch gold. Do not touch gold. Yep, 60 point bar. Again, the only thing I'd look for in this is a far from moving average trade. Otherwise, just stay the hell away, guys. This is why you don't trade gold. Check it out. It's insane. Insane, I say. And the spread's $1.60. Everybody just relax. Do not churn and burn in 3 minutes. Bop, bop, bop. All right, like I'm not even putting gold up there. All right, thanks, Ken. All right, we're canceling these orders. We're not going to have any orders out. And we'll wait till after this news. We're buying 10 contracts at the market in ES, shorting 10 contracts at the market in ES in 3.5 minutes. And we'll see if we can get a churn and burn. Can anyone? Yeah, make sure you know how to do this, guys. Don't just run in and do churn and burn if you're not comfortable with it. Don't touch anything right now. What time is it? We got 2.5 minutes. 2.5 minutes to what now? Yep. Yeah, we ain't, again, guys and girls, I would not be trading gold today, period. Stay away. Don't want you here no more. Happy Friday, happy Friday, happy Friday. Or silver, correct. All right, in 1 minute and 20 seconds, I'm buying and selling 10 ES contracts, looking to make 25 ticks. 328 in South Africa. Wow. Thank you, Mill. WSGTA, best program in the game. We try. And again, guys, no guarantee that churn and burns are going to work. Take a chili. Take a chili, willy dilly. 40 seconds. Again, we're looking to make 25 ticks, guys and girls. I don't even know how big news this is, so we'll see what happens. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Only thing we'll ever look for today, guys, is gold is a far from moving average trade in the micros. So someone keeping an eye on that, see if it sets up for that. I am about to push the button in 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 seconds. Okay. I am in at 64.50. 69, 64.50. So we need a 6-point move, guys. Again, we could be throwing away 38 bucks, but that's the least of our worries for it. There it is. Boom. Qualified on the downside, guys. We now have another PA account. Boom, chakalaka. Okay. As far as I'm concerned, our day is done today. Quite frankly. Everybody's got another PA account. That is a churn and burn, guys and girls. So for 38 bucks, we passed an account. Now I think we got to pay 75 bucks. So it cost us 100 bucks. And we are in another PA account. Now, guys and girls, we'll just relax. Give this 10, 15 minutes to settle in. We're not going to do anything. No orders. So I'm getting up for a minute. Do not do anything. Chill. It's peanut butter coffee time at 8:30. Good job, everybody. Good job. Yes, a lot of YouTubers passed. Everybody here passed. Boom. Worth the price of admission, guys and girls. All right, everybody chill out for a couple minutes now. Relax. No, you were on the MESs. I've done that before. Also, what I've done is instead of 10 contracts, done one contract. And I'm like, what? What
I
do you
can't
guys
believe I
mean
did
when you
that.
talk about accounts and contracts? We're talking about trading futures stories. Talking about trading futures, which everybody should be doing because that's sort of low barrier to entry. All right. Trading room, guys and girls. Anyone have any fibs or anything? Start posting them in the ESs. Anything that you like, let's start putting orders out in that. It's nice and calm now. So if anybody has anything, let's start posting that. I'm not trading gold, not looking at gold, not touching gold, not doing gold, unless somebody wants to trade it. Otherwise, we don't. If gold sets up far from moving average, someone let me know. So this is going to be a nice quiet day, guys and girls. We'll watch our orb. Perry's got a fib at 69.40. Let's put it out in the MESs. I like it. Down 13 points from here. Again, guys, I am on MESs. I'm not risking more than $100 a trade today. Taking it nice and easy, relaxing. Yeah, do the $50,000 account. And our short is up at 69.68 with Joe. Let's pop that out there. Use code WSGTA, guys, to open up your Apex accounts. 69.68. Boom. Good. Yeah, it's the easiest one to pass. Not that anything's easy, but you guys know what I mean. 69.40, 69.68. Oops. So, guys and girls, in the boot camp, we are going to start early today. 69.70.25. Got it. Top. Everyone doesn't have to be here all day. So take our break at 11 o'clock and then we get rolling. I guess, Ken, you'll probably go first, right? And then take a tiny bit of a break. And then Kevin will finish up the advanced options today. And that's the name of that tune, baby. I'll give away some accounts before we get out of here on YouTube. You lucky guys. Again, check out any of our courses. We have payment plans for all of them. You can get our futures course for $299, guys and girls, and get soul markets every Tuesday and Thursday night. Boom. You want to come hang out in the trading room next week? And that's it. So we got a couple of orders out in the ESs. We have an hour before the market goes. Anyone have any questions? Want to talk about anything? Turn and burn is in the course, 100%. I am, Scotty, we have turn and burn in the course. Of course we do. It's in there. I am working, going to sit with Scotty and Matt and Roman, and we're going to come up with a, Scotty, do we have churn and burn? Scotty might have gotten a coffee, but yeah, it's there. I know it's there. It's in the archives. I can tell you that for sure. Okay.
I have a video of it, but I don't think it's in the course. If somebody's got the link in archives, I want to see it because I don't think we've ever.
Joe says January 8th.
Jeremy just sent the link also. Let me click it and check it.
Yeah, me too. Today is Tanya is watch lists and advanced options. Yep. It's right there. Chart setup,
Yep.
Thinkorswim,
Yep.
Apex funding, risk management, orb trade, churn and burn. At the end of this video.
Yep. Oh, that's the ad hoc. It's not like an outlined step by step. That was the ad hoc talk. But yeah, that'll explain it.
This will explain it. No question about it. Yep. But Scotty, we're going to get together and we're just going to figure out a better way for everybody to easily navigate the course. I have some good ideas, so we'll figure it out.
Yeah, no, 100%.
I want a glossary that has links with every single thing's in the video. So you click on that link and it takes you to where you want to be.
It'll be because of the video structure, think of it like chapters, guys. So we've got 5 topics in a video. You'll actually have clickable chapters. It takes you right to the beginning of the one.
Exactly. Yeah, it's good, Joe, but we could always do better. Sometimes people say it's confusing. I can't find this. I can't find that. Most of the time, Joe, it's because they're not looking in the right spot.
But also they're not putting the time to do the course.
Exactly.
I'll say this, if you do the course from start to finish chronologically, it's laid out in the order at which you need things introduced.
Yep.
The people that are asking questions are the ones that are hopping around like, ooh, give me the indicator. Ooh, give me this. And so we can help that. It's all good.
Yeah, I mean, the course goes in order from the basic language of the stock market through everything else that we have.
Mm-hmm.
So it's just spectacular. That's all I'm going to say. Spectacular. I mean, for $300, you're getting our futures course that includes Tuesday and Thursday night slow markets. That includes our Thursday night mentorship. That includes 10 hours of videos at this rate. That includes 200 hours of archives. Whatever. I'm not selling anything. I don't give a shit.
Quick answer to a question.
Oh no, I lost my YouTube again. God damn it. Control, what is it, guys?
Alt tab, the Alt key and the tab key at the same time until you see the window. Quick answer to a question, guys. I don't care how your churn and burn went. If your account is $6,000 up, stop trading it. There is no cap. Apex will qualify it as long as it's over $3,000 net liquidity.
It's not there. But do you sell hats? We're thinking about it.
I sell hats with David's, with the what do they call them? Davidisms. That's fantastic. Yeah, this
Merch.
your Apex hat that you're wearing.
How about a shirt that says wackadoodle?
Oh, make yourself one. It costs about $3.
Where?
You just go online.
$3? Holy smokes. Yeah, but by the time it gets to Canada, it'll be like 50.
That would be cool. A shirt with just a whole glossary laid out on it. That would be fun. I did the stock course over previous weeks. Great course, but I wish I would have done the futures course as well. Joseph, if you already bought the stock course and you don't have the futures course, reach out to me. I'll give you a great price on it so you have it. Okay, you're already part of the family. So reach out to me. Send me an email. Oh, you have it. You're just lazy.
Yeah, I was going to say the $4.99 kid should have the futures course.
It does. It has everything.
We're on to you, Joseph.
Yep. And it promises. All right, the only orders we have out are in the ESs. We're not looking at gold. I can't find the frickin' YouTube. It's not when I hit Alt. It's not there. This happens to me all the time.
Can you put
And
your
everything
mouse,
but that.
Can you put your mouse over on your taskbar? You have your web browser icon. Just rest your mouse over it, but don't click it. The windows that pop up. Do you see YouTube?
What? On what? On where?
If you're on your desktop, you have your taskbar with all your icons at the bottom.
Yep.
If you put your cursor over your web browser, but don't click, it should pop up the windows that are open. Is one of those windows YouTube?
Yeah, I only see Tradeovate.
Yeah, it looks like it closed your browser, but you're still broadcasting from the room.
I know, that's cool.
Just open your browser, go back to YouTube. You probably have that. Roman.
Yeah, Roman's calling me.
Yeah, all
You
good.
see how I don't have it? I don't have it. It's weird. All the way across, I don't have it. He's gonna call me in a few minutes. We'll fix it. Ah, hold on.
Look at the man. Today's gonna be a light day, folks. As we get kicked off with boot camp, I have a coaching session. So this is gonna be one of those days, and I've said it before, I'll say it again. Who trades on Friday? Somebody in chat tell me, who are the afternoon traders on Fridays? The losers. The B team. They're revenge traders, man. They're trying to get green for the week, and they're going to be light hands, and they're going to be letting go quick. So don't be those people. They can say whatever they want. I don't know who they are. I promise you the market bottoms on Fridays. We close on the lows a lot. But if you guys are up for the week, scale it down, chill out, make a coffee, spend time with the peers. Family's going to be kicking it back on boot camp. There ain't no sense in giving it back, and then we'll kick off next week. Kelly said lonely once.
All right, I got it back.
Hey, welcome back, boss.
Yeah, again, that Scotty just reiterated. We're probably not going to trade today unless something really, sets up good.
Yeah.
So don't expect too much on the trading side of things, guys and girls. How can I join the trading room, Claudia? Send me an email. Separate after you guys finish here. I'm going to talk about everything you guys can do going forward if you were just in the boot camp this week. Okay. The trading room is $299 per month. Includes our trading every single dingle day. And it includes a boot camp every month. So you want to hang out in a room for another month. $299. Think about it this way. Just to upgrade to the boot camp is $200. So you're paying $99 to be in the room with us for a month and get an additional boot camp.
That's $33 a week.
Yeah. I'll put up my PayPal.
I will recommend everybody that if you're interested in the trading room, you've been through boot camp, finish the course.
100%. 100%. And I would not come into the trading room without having the course. Because we're trading. What do you guys say, EM missed 79? Oh, you mean 70. Yeah. We still like the 40. We got a fib down there. We still like the 70. We got a fib up there. We're not touching gold. The hours in the trading room, I usually have the room open by 7:30. And we start our morning meeting at 8:30. Yeah, well, you know what we'll do? That's right, Karina. We'll see if we get any orb trades.
Yeah.
That's going to be our day if we get some orb trades.
Morning, Davey Dave.
Morning, Pete. All yours. We are done for a few minutes.
Awesome, great. Hi, everybody. It's me, Peter Tuchman, Einstein and Wall Street. Welcome. Happy Friday. So we got a lot going on today. Like the last couple of days, we were in the last trading day of January. That is a big deal because there's this old Wall Street saying that where January goes, so does the year. And we are really just about, well, as of now, with the market down 0.5%, we are not going to close out the month in a positive fashion. But you know what? We've been teetering on that level for a while. We actually did hit 7,000 intraday the other day on the S&P, but then we pulled back. Yesterday's sell-off was substantial, although we did come back a lot from it, right? At one point, this was all about, we're in the midst of earnings season, right? So there's a lot of things going on. There's a lot of there's a lot of undercurrents going on in the market in general. We are in the midst of earnings season. And this week was the big tech. So two things that happened this week that everyone should note is a lot of earnings that came out on tech, right? Microsoft, Tesla, Meta, right? These are big names. They not only represent their names per se, but based on their guidance, right? The forward looking. Everyone needs to know earnings are what happened last week. Guidance is what happens next week, right? It's looking back, looking forward. And guidance sometimes is even more important, right? Because it's what the future is going to look like. So all that being said, and tech sector, is in itself one of those sectors that has carried this market for the longest time, right? The Magnificent Seven, right? The Metas, the Googles, the Microsoft, the Oracles, the Nvidias, the Palantirs, those names that we've you guys don't trade them particularly, but when you trade the futures market, you are trading those stocks because they are a big makeup of the S&P 500, of the NASDAQ. And when you trade the NQ or the ES and the MES, you are basically trading these components, right? And each one of these components has a certain weighting inside of these indexes. And give you a perfect example of what happened is, so there's the Dow Jones average, right? That was the first average that first index they ever came up with back 100 plus years ago, right? It was 30 stocks. It kind of represented by America, right? It was Triple M and Pfizer and I and all these names that were early, Union Pacific Railroad. These were the early stocks to go public, right? Gotcha. And so different stocks in there are weighted differently. It's only 30 stocks, but you'll notice what happened this past week is that the Dow was down and the S&P was up. And then the S&P was up and the Dow was down. Now, why did that happen? Well, United Healthcare was one of the heaviest weighted stocks in the index, okay? And United Healthcare came out with really soft guidance, projections for the future in UNH. UNH was a $30 stock. It ran up to $600, and I don't even know where it's trading now, but it was down on Wednesday or Tuesday or Wednesday, down $60, 20%, and that dragged the Dow down $400, excuse me. So anyway, that's where you're going to see some bifurcation between the Dow and the S&P. All that being said, what dragged the market down yesterday? That was Microsoft earnings, right? Microsoft earnings, they had their worst earnings in a while. They had their worst day trading in a while, down 20%, and that dragged the market down. And so even though I will often just, Dave's there to teach you technical analysis, Scotty and Kevin and Ken are there to teach you how the charts work and how futures trade and all that kind of stuff. I'm more of a forensic broker trying to give you a breakdown of why the market does what it does. How do these two things relate? Well, at the end of the day, the individual stocks, the equities that go into all of these indexes are what moves your futures market. The futures indexes don't just live, independent of all this stuff. They are basically just a conduit for all these individual stocks, right? So it's important to know what Nvidia is doing, what Palantir is doing, what UNH and Pfizer are doing, right? Obviously, the S&P is a lot more tech heavy, right, than the Dow, right? The Dow was the first index. I don't even think there were any tech companies back in the day of the Dow, but, obviously now that's a whole nother thing. So all that being said, the pressure on the market this month, January, has been sort of a roller coaster at best, right? A lot of stuff going on. Now, as I said to you, historically, as January goes, so does the year. What does that mean? That means that if we close out historically years where January closed out positively in the S&P 500, the year has closed out positively. These are sort of what they call seasonality, right? Seasonality is not as significant as it used to be, right? In the old days, it was like sell in May and go away. And then September, October were weaker months and November was robust month and all that kind of stuff, right? But you know what? It doesn't really have the power that it used to have, right? This year particularly, right? We have a new administration. We're in the midst, since COVID, everything has sort of changed a lot, right? You've got intraday reversals of thousands and thousands of points, So these things set the stage for a different market altogether. But where do we stand today and the last couple of days? So as I said, January was a roller coaster at best. There was really no directionality coming out of the gate. The bank earnings were a little softer than usual. Banks are the first stocks to announce earnings. They have been really strong over the last while, but I think the interest rate and the struggle with that and the government being shut down and all the lack of clarity and transparency over that economic data, right? And Dave talks about it all the time, that everybody should be connected to their, whether it's Market Watch, David has a better one, he'll tell you what it is, which is that page that you look at every morning, right? To talk about your economic data, your CPI, PPI, right? CPE, consumer personal expenditure. And these are target numbers that represent inflation and represent interest. This is the information that the Federal Reserve uses to make their decision to either cut rates, raise rates, or keep rates flat. right? And then it also affects how they position themselves going forward. Now, so Microsoft dragged the market down yesterday. At one point, we were down 100 handles on the S&P. Now, it's not a crash by any means, but it is a significant sell-off. Now, I believe you guys, David will tell you a little better, but in my world, we hit sort of a double bottom. It was really beautiful technically. We turned around. It happened around 11 o'clock in the morning, and we traded the rest of the day. I would bet you guys had killer trend trades the rest of that day, because if you look at yesterday's graph, I don't know if that's what Dave's showing me right here, but it was absolutely, is that 11 o'clock? It looks like it may be. The rest of the day was an absolute beautiful trend all the way from the bottom left to the upper right. And that's the kind of days, that's where massive wins, even though beautiful. Yeah. Stay with me, everyone. So anyway, all that being said, trend trades are some of the best performing trades that we have. They're some of the best winners that we have. So all that being said, Microsoft and some of the tech names were not as good as anticipated. Microsoft was one of the worst. That's what dragged the market down yesterday. But we are seeing what over the last number of weeks, I would say, and even more the last number of days. Yesterday, we had 1.5 billion volume. That's 300 million more than usual for a normal, even at the end of the month, right? So what you're seeing is, and if you notice, one of the things that I watch is the advances versus the declines. What does that mean? That means how many stocks traded were up trading on plus ticks for the day, and what stocks were trading on minus ticks, right? Because sometimes you'll see, if you've got the stock market down 300, 400, 500 points, and it's 7-1 down stocks than up stocks. Well, that means people are liquidating. They're getting out of a certain sector, or they're getting out of the market. Right. But when you see it down or up 500 points, and you're seeing it that the advance versus declines is literally 50-50, what does that mean? That means that people are rotating. They're getting out of one sector and they're immediately putting their money to work in another one. Right. And so that's significant. That shows that people aren't freaking out. They're not getting shaken out by the market. That just means they're taking some profits off the table out of their performers and getting into small cap, mid cap things that have some value. Right. We know that if anybody has been in any of these stocks for your one portfolio, which I hope you all have, you should all have one. We're not financial advisors, but everyone should have a retirement fund of some kind, and then you should have your trading account. And the two should never really meet. They should not be in your same at all. But however, people who have been in tech all year long, at least in 2025, people made money. You did well, right? If you bought in, and you rode the wave, then you did probably pretty good. Anyway, all that being said, tech is under a little bit of pressure. Demand for tech, the demand for data centers, the demand for all this stuff is super, super robust. Okay, and the last thing I'll say, because I got to pass it back to Dave, is this morning they picked the new Fed chair. Okay, now the Fed chair who they picked, I believe it's Kevin Walsh is his name, or Kenny Walsh, right, is a bit more of a hawkish guy. They thought they were going to push heavily for a dovish guy. Dovish guy means he's more likely to cut interest rates. That would be a little more in line with Mr. Trump's agenda. It turns out that this guy was very hawkish, which is less likely to cut when he was in the Fed. But he left the Fed and went into the public sector. And while in the public sector, he became a little more of a Trumper, and he sort of pivoted more towards the dovish portfolio type of approach. And so that's kind of why Mr. Trump picked him. And what it does was it sets the stage for more interest rates in the future. So you know what? That's kind of a little synopsis of what it is. I'm not sure how we're going to end this month. It was really a wild roller coaster. February left to come. Volatility is awesome. Follow Dave. Stick to the rules. Discipline, consistency. I'll pass it back to you, Chief.
Thanks, Pete.
Yes, sir.
All right, guys and girls. I got nothing. 0.0. I'm good with our orders in the MESs if we spike down 20 points or up 10 points. Actually, let's just go to double top in the MESs, 75.50. We are just going to relax. I mean, I got nothing, and I don't care. This is a very important lesson, guys and girls, okay? We've had a very good week trading. It is Friday. The last thing we want to do on a Friday is give back our profits for the week. So that's why we always just relax, don't do it. Should we move up the trade to 69.47 to double bottom? Where are we now? 40? No, I'm chilling for the opening, man. I like the fibs that we have out. I am chilling for the opening. I'm not looking at gold unless somebody has a fall from moving average trade. Let me know. We still have a lot of learning to do today, guys and girls, in the boot camp. So we got advanced options. Boyle just hit 35. Holy mackerel. Yeah, that just blasted through the weekly level now. Weekly level was 33 and change. So what do we got? Yeah, 35 is a monthly level. Oh, there we go. 38.21. That is a monthly level. Let me just make a note and we'll get short up there if we get there for a swing trade. It blew through levels, so I'm not looking to do anything right now. Chill it out, man. And the promises in the dark. Anyone want a short gold? We went up 70 points from the bottom. Dave, if I trade big loss, if I trade small 100 time, I'm not sure what you're saying, Georgie. Clarify, please. The 30 EMA in gold is 50.93 for you people who want to be risk on. High risk on. ATM guard gold is 30 points. This one bar will be 45, 48 points. I'm trying it in a eval account. One $200 loser can overwhelm. Yes, that is correct.
Welcome.
In the dark. All right, we're good with our ESs. Gold is definitely risk on. Anyone got anything else posted up there, please? Otherwise, like I said, we're taking a chill pill today. Promises in the dark. If you got 93 in gold, take it off. Boom. Just put $700 in the bank in a eval. How about that, guys and girls? It went up 80 points to hit that. It fit our criteria. Did anyone try it there small? Myra did, Jeremy did, Scotty did. Yeah, it just went down 7 points, man. That's our technicals, guys. Yeah, trade the micros. Just be prepared to have a 30-point stop on one contract. But I want to show everybody it exactly hit our 30 EMA. Okay, it went 2 points above it, which is nothing, and gave a quick $700 trade. Boom, chakalaka. I did it in sim and it worked. Yes, got 7 points from the gold trade. Good. So I'll put out our 65 EMA now at 51.16. That is up another 20. No, I won't. I'll go 51.26. That's up 36 points from here. And again, I'm not even doing it on this account. I'm only doing it in my eval accounts, not even my PA accounts. I'm not trading them today. So 51.26 is a previous day low. Again, this is high risk on if you're trading gold. Just telling you now. Oh, that risk management thing. We're going to do a masterclass on risk management for trading futures. It's going to be $99. We have like 200 people who are interested already. Scotty's going to lead that class. It's going to be 3 hours. Boom, chakalaka. Jerry, you're done trading for the day. Good. Go enjoy your weekend. Don't even stay here. I got a bunch of private messages. Exactly. Rash, you're in for the course. Welcome to the family. Boom chakalaka. Every Tuesday night, every Thursday night. The gold trade, Jose, was the first time it hit our 30 EMA after going up 80 points. That was the gold trade. It hit our resistance up on the 30 EMA. Regular moving average trade. All right, how are we looking at ES's guy? We like where we're sitting, guys? ES ATR is 6, so again, you should be on the micros. I like the double top. We're good. Good. You like 70? A little closer? What do you got there? You got a fib? David, this is awesome. Looking forward to class. I'm not saying it enough. You and your company are the best. Thank you. 70 is not a double top. The double top's 75. 70, if you have a fib, maybe. But the double top is 75. We are promises. Yeah, the gold went down 15 points from that level. Just so you can see the technical analysis. Boom. Wackadoodle. It's wackadoodle. What the hell is a TCGL? Are you kidding me? Isn't this thing like $4? This the one I'm thinking of? Yep. This thing was $12, guys and girls. It's trading at $210. What the hell is that? Are you kidding me? Oh my God. Well, good luck to the people who own that one. God bless. I have no idea, Scott. None whatsoever. Gold just went down 20 points. All right, we're being conservative for the year. What time is it? It's only 10 after 9. Everyone take a chill pill. Bitcoin rallied off the lows significantly. What are we up? 2,000 points from the low we made this morning. Silver. Jimmy crack corn and I don't call it. That is not an acquisition. I don't know what the hell it is. It could be a biotech. Tesla. Down. UVXY. Down. Boyle. Holy shit in Boyle. What did I say in Boyle? 38? On a monthly? Might get there. Gotta put that out. 38. I will tweet that out, guys. We are definitely swinging Boyle if it gets to 38. If we get there, I'll tweet it out. I'll tweet it out now in case it gets up there. Oh, can't short Boyle. Of course you can't. Thanks for nothing. All right, that means we're going to buy cold. Yes. Wow, this thing was 50 bucks. It's $16. It was $46 last month. All right. Oh, this is a nice cheap one we can buy, guys and girls. So let's start at 15. I'll tweet it out if we get there. I'll tweet it out now. Boom, chakalaka. Start very slow. That will be a swing trade, guys and girls. Swing a dinga dinga donga dinga. So, guys, everybody who is in the Twitter sphere, okay? I'm going to tweet this out right now. Let me know if you get the tweet. And anybody who owns our course, if you're not in the Twitter sphere yet, let me know. I'm going to tweet this out right now. I want people to tell me if they get it. Okay. Okay. Starting, and again, not financial advice. KOLD. Swing trade at 15. Not financial advice. Okay, guys and girls, let me know if you guys get this. Post was sent. Let me see if I have any people who are looking to get in from yesterday. I'll get it. You got it? Good. Yeah, I got 7 requests from yesterday. I'm accepting you all. All right, this is also part of what you get, guys, if you own any of our courses. Oh, pretty cool. Twitter is only for people who are course members. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. All right, where are we? ESs, I like the double top for the opening. That's up 12 points. Works for me. Guys, if someone sees something in gold, you know, we have people who want to trade gold. If you see something, post it, and I'll take a look at it, okay? Gabishi? All right, gonna fill up the old coffee ole. Been a great morning already, guys. So there is no reason to trade anymore today. SoFi. I own SoFi in the IPO at $13. Oh, they had good earnings. Good for them. That's a long-term account. Long-term trade if you like SoFi. Can we swing GLD stock if you have enough money to? Very expensive. There's better instruments than that we could swing. I mean, look at that chart on a daily chart. This thing could go down freaking 100 points. You want to see a crazier chart? Look at the weekly chart. Crazy. You want to see a crazier chart? Look at the monthly chart. Are you out of your mind? I would not be looking to buy this thing anywhere up here. David, you saved my trading career. Ah, love to hear that, user. Thank you. PC'd it. We aim to please, baby. We give you the best affordable price for everybody. And we want to help as many people as we can. That is the bottom line. Do I speak Italian? I don't speak Italian. I know a couple of phrases, but I don't speak Italian. Your long SoFi, Marianne? Yeah, I think it's good long term. And if it ever dipsy doodles a lot, you just add to it. What's MCD? McDonald's? The hell is that, Marianne? Oh, GC. What do we like? Sell short at 51.30. You got a fib up there, Marianne? I'm game. I'm with you. Previous day low is 51.26. That is up 16 and 26 points, 42 points. Yeah, so make it 51.26. Again, guys, trade gold at your own risk. Okay. Yeah, I already have it out there. Boom. Do I like 70 short in the ESs? Not for the opening. It's only a 5-point move. The ATR is 6 points. I might not like the double top, guys. I'm leaving it out there for the moment, but that could change in the next 15 minutes. Again, let me say this again to everybody who is in the private trading room. I am not in a hurry to trade today, nor should you be. Please. Gabishi? Come on. It's been a great week. It's 10 up for the 200, but it's only 5 points up from where we've been sitting for the last 15 minutes. So, FOMO, baby, it's real. It's real, and it's spectacular.
And there's no cure for FOMO.
Yes, there is. Sit on your hands. Can you chat about account strategy? Open an Apex account, qualify, go to live trading. For Tyler, are you in a course member? We go over that in unbelievable detail in our courses. Yeah, are you kidding me? Tyler, in the futures course, we talk about that in great detail. Great detail, all of it. All of it. All of me. Why not take cold? Do I get FOMO? I get it, but I don't act on it. Of course. I look at things and say, oh my God, I want to push the button. But I don't, because it's a recipe for disaster. Period. Yeah, Purple. I'll give everybody $100 off on the ultimate if you want it still. Absolutely. Yes. You email Roman and tell them I said that. They'll give you a code. So yeah, we're giving 15% off the ultimate course too. For you guys. Email Roman, say Dave approved it. My Twitter account for my room members. Send me a request there. In the dark. All right. Anybody know what time it is? In this case, it's refill time.
Pina colada time.
It's not pina colada time. Someone
Why
get it
not?
right.
Pina colada, some coffee.
It's peanut butter coffee time.
Trends
Good
not
question
just
just came up
Canadians,
from
also
BA.
local.
After losing day, how do you overcome fear to get into trades the following day? Great question. Are you journaling all your trades is what I will say to you. We journal all our trades. We know what our hit rate is. I am never afraid to get into a trade. Never. Ever, 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 ever. We're going to have losing days. We're going to have losing trades. Part of what we do. Doesn't mean you're a bad trader. We have rules to stop trading when you're making money and rules to stop trading when you're losing money. There's no difference between a winning trade and a losing trade. How about that? None. Zero. If we execute a losing trade properly, that's a good trade. That's it. Exactly. If you follow the rules, Pablo, you just can't let that 30% of your trades wipe out the 70% of your winners. That's the bottom line. Yep, losing is part of the business. We don't get excited when we make money, and we don't get pissed off when we lose money. We are robots, guys and girls. We are operators of our system. That is it. You're never going to hear me scream and yell whether we're doing well or we're doing poorly. Bottom line. And you are not, I'll repeat this again, you are not going to find anyone else in this business that does what we do. You're not. I'm sorry. We're posting every single trade that we do. We have skin in the game in every single trade that we do. We're teaching you how to do this on your own for a price that is ridiculously affordable. End of story. Period. All right, I'm filling my coffee. 2 orders in ES are good. That's all we got out right now. And I think we still like them for the opening. Certainly like the buy side. That'd be down 20 points. That's it, Joe. Joe's getting used to it. Yep. Oh, please. We have 2 hours of psychology in the course. We did that for 5 hours this week. And that's the most important. That's the most important thing we will ever talk about in this room is psychology and risk management. We are going to have, hey, Scotty, what's the date for our risk management seminar, our risk management masterclass? I don't remember.
March 4th.
March 4th is our risk management masterclass. We're gonna have Roman put it up on a website for people to register. And this way we
Yeah.
could advertise it a little bit. It's gonna be $99. It's gonna be over 3 hours long. We're gonna tell you how to avoid ever blowing a Apex account and just about risk management for 3 hours. It's gonna be 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Vish, you got a fib up at 43. Let's put it out. How we get into that? We're going to put it on our website. We'll have a link on our website to get into that. Okay. I'll have it up there by the end of this weekend, and we'll start promoting it, and we'll start getting people in there. Boom. January, I love it. I bought the futures course in November. I've learned so much from WSGTA. January will be my first green month in prop trading. I still make a lot of mistakes, but fewer and fewer as I learn. Love it. Love it. Love it. Yep. Yeah. Once we get all the copy done, we'll put this on our website. We'll start advertising it a little bit. All right. I'm filling up my coffee. What time is it? Oh, we got time. I'll be right back. All right, ladies and gents, let's get ready to rock and roll. Anybody have any orders out differently than we have? And do we like this stuff for the opening? What do you guys think? Or should we just cancel everything for the opening and chill out? Gold, what happened in gold? Oh, look at the 65 EMA. Oh, well, shit, I'm in that. I'm in it somewhere if we went to 26. Where is it? Where are you? Holy crap, guys. We just got 25 points out of gold. Oh. Oh, no, we were up higher. Yeah. No. We're not in it. Oh, you're just saying the 65 hit. Yes. Yes, I thought we hit our 26. All right, no big deal. I thought we hit the 26. We hit the 15 EMA. Yes. All right. Well, we don't like 26 anymore. We're putting out 48. Up 39 points. Yep. If you're trading gold. 48 pivot point. I'll put out 47. Okay, we still like our ESs, guys, for the opening? Or do we want to cancel everything and just take a nice long fat chill pill? What do you think? What's the room consensus? Talk to me, goosies. Yep, I agree. Let's trade our orbs and not have any orders out and that stuff. I'm down with it. Yep. Do I ever trade silver futures? I do at times, Patrick, but that is a great way to blow up your account. It's like $500 a point. It's crazy. I've done it a couple of times by mistake. I did one contract. I look up, I'm down $1,000. So let's get our orb set up. Make sure we're ready. Orbulation. 9:30, 5 minute. A boom, a boom, a boom. Let's go back to my room. That's it. Somewhere. Building something. No. Yes, good thing we canceled our orders. That's why we take a chill pill. We play the orb. Now we can watch the top of the orb. We got time though. No. I left orders out in 9 different accounts. I got too many evals. Okay. We are not buying the orb breakout in ES. We have 3 minutes before we I'm not shorting the bottom of the orb either, guys. Take a chill pill. And watch gold if we break the top of the orb. Guys, we're wild and crazy all over the place, so just relax. Wild and crazy guy. Well, I mean, if we were trading the MESs, we wouldn't have got stopped out of the ESs at 75. It just paid. So again, just take a freaking chill pill. Boom, boom, boom. No, that's on Monday. There's no news today. PMI is on Monday. I do have 51.48 out in gold if we get up that high. But let's watch our orbs in 2 minutes.
Hey, Dave, we have a PMI number at 9:45.
We do? I thought it was Monday.
It's in black, not red.
I don't think I can buy the top of the orb in gold either, because we're stretching out so far to hit it. You know? Chicago PMI, okay. But it might work. All right, orbs are going to be set up in 1 minute. Oh, shit. Can't buy the top of the orb in gold. And how close did we come to 48, guys? We got to 32. So don't even like that anymore. We're chilling. In the groove. All right, we are set up. So if anyone sees any orbs, we definitely like the bottom of the orb in gold, right? 50.83 down 40 points. If you're trading gold. So gold, we would do the bottom of the orb at 50.83. Getting order out. MES, let's look. Okay, just got the breakout of the orb on the upside. Didn't really pay, and I don't think I would have done that anyway, guys. We went way up too high to get there. Yep, I would, but we'll buy the bottom of the orb, right? 69.61. That's good. That fits. Boom, chakalaka. All right, bottom of the orb in MES. I ain't putting out any orders out in gold on my account here. Actually, I'll put this out. That's fine. What is it? 50.82? Is that what we said in gold? I'll put one out. 50.83. It's down 40 points. Yeah, we'll slap one out. All right, we got the bottom of the orb. You can look for maybe a breakout in the ES now if we kind of sit around here, right? I'm just fine with not a lot of action, guys and girls. It's all good. Take a chill pill. We had a good pre-market. So you're short at the top of the orb in the ES. Yeah, it wasn't quite set up yet, but it worked out nicely. That's good. 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 That's what Campbell Soup saw. Good. All right, relax. Don't do it. Nice rally in Bitcoin. 2,000 points off its lows. Let me know if anybody's looking at anything, looking to do anything, thinking about doing anything. All right. ES just broke the top of the orb, guys. It was 81. There's 1 point. There's 2 points. Keep a tight stop if you did it. I would have break even now. There you go. Definitely got 1 point and 2 points, guys. Bump. Previous day close on MES. Short? Yeah, let's do that. 89. I'm down with that. Yeah, I'll look at silver in a couple minutes. 68.89.50. Did anyone get the top of the orb in the ESs? $69. Let's call it $69.90, guys, if we go on this pop-up. All right. A couple of points off the top of the orb. Chill out. You could have sold it the first time. The second time, it was a breakout. I just made $1,250 on silver. Okay. We don't talk about money in here, right? Brooklyn. I'm happy. We don't talk about money because it promotes FOMO. Oh, you short the top of the orb, though? Brooklyn boy. Top of the orb in silver was what paid off very nicely. Very nicely. Gold is dead.
Hey, everybody.
Still like the bottom of the orb in gold, though, guys. If we spike down to 50.83, no question about it.
No.
We're done trading for the day, Pete.
No way. What'd you do, Davey? Tell me.
A couple of pre-market and a couple here.
Awesome. In gold or in just in the SPY or the NQ, which?
ES's, SPYs, gold.
Beautiful. So basically, you bought
Dave has horseshoes up his ass.
What?
I said Dave has horseshoes up his ass.
Why do I have horseshoes up my ass? This is what technical analysis.
You're always winning money You're like, you remember when you went on
She's
your
saying
trip?
that you're lying. She's saying.
What? What, Trent? I lost you, Trent.
Dave,
Yeah.
Dave, remember when you went on your most recent cruise and you
Yeah.
remembered that you had an order left out and you were up $900?
Oh yeah, that happens every now.
Anyway, so what do you mean? Because this morning, look, it was I just wanted this morning was a perfect example of where there's such an enthusiasm still to buy this market that even though we opened down, right? We opened down just on like probably a little overflow, still from the Fed meeting, still maybe a little bit from the new Fed chairman, and then definitely some of the Microsoft stuff. And we opened down and then we rallied back. I mean, instantly, right? It was like this, it's already in a beautiful trend. Like market is so incredibly resilient. It's spectacular. So I have a guy that we met, a guy named Gene Pena, David, who came down to the Florida event that we did with those other guys, and so he's on the floor this morning for the opening bell. So it was, he bought the boot camp, he bought the course, so I brought him on the
Excellent.
floor. I bought him on the floor for the opening. He's so
Guys,
good.
gold only on this pop down if you're trading it. If we spike down another 17 points, and again, micros, don't risk any money, please, please, please. We are chilling. But only on this pop down to the bottom of the orb.
Anyway, now it's always nice because he had been struggling trading, and then he met us down there, and he decided to not go with those guys, and he came with us instead, and he bought the course and the boot camp, and he's a fan. So it's always nice, with testimonials that we're getting here, guys. It's just extraordinary how people have been struggling for the market, trading the market for the longest time. We know that more than 80% of people who try and do this do not succeed. And when you see all the people who have finally come into Wall Street Global and then met David and are now just making a living doing this, it's just always it's heartwarming. We love it.
News guy,
What news?
PMI news.
PMI. All right. I'm not changing. I like our orders. I mean, we're tiny in the ESs. I don't care. It's all good. Give gold another minute on this pop down, though. Let's keep our eyes on gold, guys and girls.
Anyway, so you're going to see a lot of volume here today, guys, on the close, right? We are the last day of trading. So you're going to see some profit taking, or you're just going to see people closing out some positions and repositioning themselves. I would imagine you have to realize that we saw that back in November, that when we had the probability of the interest rate cut for December, it spiked down to 15% and then up to 88%. The market responded drastically to those two probability moves. It really made it clear to us, it was sort of a key view, that a lot of the big whales, and I've investigated this a lot of the big whales have very interest rate sensitive portfolios, right? And so you're going to see a lot of people start positioning themselves around this new Fed person, the new Fed chair that Trump has picked, right? Because people are going to be able to look at his history, right? Look at his present and now be able to make some kind of a judgment on what the next 3 months, 6 months is going to look like from a Fed guidance perspective. And whether we're going to get aggressive on the cutting side or we're going to be a little passive, it will really depend on this guy's sort of position, how dovish and how hawkish he is. So we're going to start to see a lot of you guys, we call it churn and burn down here, is just rotation. People are going to be coming out of their outperformers, whether they get
Guys,
into
we're putting out a vicious fib at 69, 66, 75 on this pop down. Okay, Pete.
It's okay, kid. So anyway, just watch for a lot of rotation. Watch for people coming out of different sectors and positioning themselves forward based on this new Fed chairman. So anyway, it's for me, it's going to be a nice day because the end of the month, you have a lot of preferred stock rebalances. You've got a lot of trading out the end of the month as people position themselves for February. And we'll sort of see how this day turns out. If we have a nice trend rally into the end of the day. Hi, guys.
Hey, thanks.
Hi. Good. It'll be good. So anybody follow Dave's discipline, consistency. It's the name of the game. And I wish you all happy trading.
Take profits, take profits, take profits.
There you go. Wow. I'm just watching that trade. It's beautiful.
Out.
Break out the orb. All right, guys. I'll see you soon. Thanks, Davey. See you late tonight, Dave.
Yep.
See you later, guys.
In and out, in and out. Great call, Vish. All right, let's put our 65 EMA out now at 58.50, down 10 points from here, and just take it nice and conservative now. 69.58.50. That was a Fibonacci, guys and girls. I can tell you that Vish, when he posts fibs, he's about 90%. Boom chakalaka laka. Great call, Vish. Still in, boom. There's 7 points. Yeah, you can trail a little bit, guys. Very nice. Great job, everybody. Chris is done for the day. Get out of here. Goodbye, so long, farewell. I am not leaving gold out. I don't even want to trade. I don't want to trade anything anymore. How about that? Chris is done for the day. Boom. 3 points from Vish. Boom. This is what we do, guys and girls. The motive is done for the day. Boom. 5 points. Thanks, Vish. Boom. Done for the day. Nivea, thank you. Boom. See you guys on Monday. Guys, it's 9:48. If you have done well and you are still in this room, you have a problem. That's the bottom line. You have a problem. Josh is done for the day. Dave, I emailed you about trading you. Done. When is class today? All right, here's the schedule for class today, guys and girls. We're going to take our break at 11 o'clock. Right after that, Ken, if he's here, will do watch lists and scanners and breakout trade. So Ken, around 11:30, if you're going to be here. When Ken finishes, we're going right into Kevin and advanced options. That is it for today. Okay. So 11:30, we'll start our lessons. Guys, don't leave if you're here for the boot camp, please. We got a lot of learning still to do. Looking out my back door. Hands up, done for the day. Past 2 Apex account, banked a little bit on profit, sitting back and watching the entertainment. Have a good weekend. No, you guys can hear me. YouTube, you hear me? You see me? Someone said they can't hear me. Some ones. I'm also done. 6 points in a fresh new PA account. Insane. Oh, yeah, 15-minute orb, guys. 15-minute orb. Do we want to short the top of the orb? Yes. We're coming from 73 to 85. Kind of fits, right? I don't know. I just don't want to do anything. I don't want to trade anymore. I don't want to trade anymore. Yeah, let's put out 69.90 up on the previous day low. I like that. But guys, if you're here for the boot camp, please don't leave. we got a lot of learning to do today, okay? Don't leave. Please. Okay, guys, on YouTube, a couple of things, all right? Do you live stream stocks? If anyone posts stocks, I will trade stocks, Jesse. Yes, absolutely. 100%. 100%. Scotty will be done at noon. Good. Beautiful. Oh, good. Scotty, take the afternoon off. Jeez Louise. Anyone want to try the top of the orb, or you want to just take a chill pill? I'm taking a chill pill. I'm relaxing. Next boot camp is the week of February 23rd, I believe. Whatever the last week of the month is. Learning more and more every time. Best place to be. The week of
That's-
February 23rd is the next boot camp, guys. Yes. So again, guys and girls, please check out our course. It's freaking $300 and we have payment plans. The ultimate course is $700. I'm giving everybody $100 off. Send me an email if you want to be in the trading room next week.
Hey, Dave, I'm here with the crew. There's Gene. Let's see if you can see him. David, that's Gene from
Hold on,
Florida
hold on,
Visit.
hold on. Do I got my
Okay.
camera on? Hold on a minute.
Yep, you're on. Oh, if you can
Where are
see.
you? Oh, there you are.
There we are.
What's
So
up,
that's-
Gene?
How you doing, sir? Saw you
What's
in
going
Boca
on?
Raton.
He came down to see us in Boca Raton, and then we're here with, this is a gentleman named Chris Guerrero. He's a Shark Tank winner. He came down to the Florida to visit us. He has a couple of Shark Tank deals. He's a trader also, used to work down here in our business. So we're having a good morning here. I was just giving him
Nice.
I was giving him a little breakdown about the orb trade and about, the trading the opening bell with you guys. So I just wanted to introduce him to everybody.
Well, Pete, when are you leaving?
I'm on a 7:20 plane, Davey. I'll be there at 10:30
At night?
at night. Yeah,
Don't
7:20.
you know how to freaking take a day off and fly up a little earlier? What the hell is wrong with you?
You know what? Today, this is the last day of the month, so it's a
Who
really busy
cares? You
day.
got your son there. Come on.
Anyway, I'll see you there. I'll come knocking on the door at 10:30. You'll be
All right, see
asleep.
you there.
You better
All
make
right.
them up, David.
No, they got me covered.
Don't wait. At 10:30, I'll be sleeping for 2 hours. Do
I'm
not
sure,
knock
I'm
on
sure
my
you
door.
will. I'm out of here. All right, guys. Take it. See you in the morning, Davey.
All right, buddy.
one more.
We are Pete's flying down to Florida for Max's big event this whole weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. All right, guys, do we like the bottom of the orb and the MESs? Yes, we have it out. Without Wall Street, I would not be where I am. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Send me an email too, guys and girls, just to get into the trading room next week. You all can hang out with us for a week. Gotcha. Okay. We're coming up to 59 in the cancel is short. Come up to 59. Bottom of the orb. Someone's going to have to punch me in the face with a setup to do any more trading today. I can tell you that right now. Ooh, gold is getting a smackadaka wackadaka. Gold broke the bottom of the orb. First time it went down, it bounced 5 points. Now we broke the bottom of the orb in gold. There is a nice trade. Broke the bottom of the orb at 80. Just paid 3 to 5 points. I don't know if anyone was on top of that. But we broke the bottom of the orb in gold. Pete ain't trying to miss any money. I think it bounced off the bottom of the orb first, long, right? And then it gave you the short. Who came up with the name WSGTA? I did. Good, 3 points. All right, nice. Again, I don't suggest anyone be trading gold now. Why? Why would you risk trading this thing in any way, shape, or form? I mean, but the orb worked. Orb definitely worked. The low of it, and then the break of it. I'll do a double bottom in gold if we get down to 49.62. I will tell everybody what I tell everybody every day at this time. It's not even 10 o'clock. For us, okay? This day is not going to get any better. And there's no reason to be trading and risking anything. I would have been happy if we did nothing today. What do you think of that? I would have been happy if we did nothing today. And we ended up having a nice way to go into the weekend. Gold, how come it moves so fast? I'll explain that to everybody. Everybody look right here on my screen, okay? Everybody see this purple number, the ATR? Boot campers, YouTube, everybody see that? Give me some ones. Give me some ones. Okay. That is the average true range. Each 5-minute candlestick, guys and girls, over the last 14 5-minute candlesticks has averaged 31 points of movement. That's why it moves so fast. Every candlestick in these last 14 candlesticks has averaged 31 points. So that's why it moves so fast. I will tell you another thing. Don't ever try to make a trade in between levels, especially in gold. No, I'll do a double bottom here. Maybe we'll do 50-20 is the previous week close. That'll be down 65 points, double the ATR. I'll put out 50-20, and I'm only doing the MGC with a 5-point stop. 50-20. When you start looking to buy something because you think it's cheap is when you get blown out of the water. No reason to ever do anything in between our levels. Ever. That's how you get yourself in trouble, and that's how you blow up accounts. Period. Oh, I think it can't get any lower from. Oh, look at that. Oh, I don't think it can go any lower from here. Oh, just went down another 20 points. Then you start buying it here. Meanwhile, it broke the orb for 30 points. 30 points. It just broke the herb. The herb. What's this low? Yeah, good. 50-20. If it does it on this, bop down. I like it, Marianne. Still down 30 points from here. And this one bar, if it takes us right down there, we'll be down 65 points. Again, don't trade gold if you don't want to trade gold. I traded a couple of PAs this morning, and all I'm doing right now is working on a couple of other evals. That's it. That was yesterday. Oh, are you kidding me? You know how much money Apex made yesterday? As a beginner, what course do you suggest? Jesse, if you can afford it, get the ultimate course. It includes every single thing that you want, and it includes the boot camp, which is invaluable. And it starts from absolute scratch. It has futures, it has stocks, it has options, if you can afford it. Guys, here's the thing, okay? That course is $6.99. I'm giving everybody $100 off.
ES is coming in.
All right, I like the 59. We're good. I'm giving everybody $100 off. Again, for a trade, guys. Did we just miss it?
Yes.
Oh, cancel it.
Order
Oh
canceled.
my God. Kiss my ass. Just went up 7 points. What did that miss us by? Nah, it missed by a point. Didn't come that close. All right. Can't get mad at that, guys. It missed it by a point. But again, look at the technical analysis. That was a 7-point trade in 10 seconds. It missed. Cancel. Next trade. Damn. All right. I got it, but I don't understand why you guys didn't take the bottom of the orb. But what we did, it must have changed, guys. Yeah. Originally, it was 59. It must, I don't know. I screwed it up, I guess. I had an order in at 59. I don't know why. 200 EMA was great. Gold. Okay, guys, I'm not trading gold in my real account, but I'm trying 50-20 in my PA account, in my the other accounts. You know what I mean. I'm not risking any money in my real account. Taking profits. Boom, $700 out. $700 out. 10 points, guys, in gold. Anyone get it? 50-20. Hello, double bottom. Boom, chakalaka. Nice job, guys and girls. 10 points. Boom. I don't know why I didn't do it in my real account. Whatever. Who gives a shit? It's all good. Technical analysis, guys and girls. 15 points now. Oh my God. Oh my God. All right, good job. Next. I like the double bottom now, guys, at 49.63, down 50 points from here. Don't laugh. And again, I'm not doing it in my real account. 49.63. It's okay. Boom, 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 boom. What a day, huh? Nice. 49.63. And this is why we trade, guys. We're in, we're out. We're in, we're out. We're not looking for home runs. Ever. Chilling it.
You got to buy at 49.63.
Yeah, I'll put it out. It's fine. 49. That's a double bottom. It's down 50 points from me. We'll short the top of the orb also, guys. If we get back to the top of the orb, that is 51.42. That's up 100 points. No. Yeah, 51.42. I'm not even going to bother putting that out. That's up 100 points from here. Well, who knows? ESs we can put back out to 69.58. Yeah, I'm down with that. I'll be down 12 points. Guys, you still really want to trade today? Anyway, as I was saying, guys and girls, bump, 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 bump. The most expensive course we have $699. I'm knocking $100 off it to 600, and we have a payment plan. You can do it for like $50 a month, and it has everything in it. And email Roman for your discount. There you go. All right. We like 58. Good. We like gold 49.63. Good.
Hey, DG, didn't we just bounce off the 58, 69, 58 on the 200 EMA?
I think we missed it by a couple of points, but the fact that we've gone up 10 points now makes it valid again.
Okay, we were off by 50 cents, 50, okay. If
Yeah,
it makes
missed it by a point. You know what? What we just spike up to? 74? Yeah, forget it. I don't like it. Don't care. Let's chill. Let's just take a nice chill pill. Give me crack corn and I don't care. I gotta make $4 in a PA account. Think I can blow this whole thing up trying to make $4? I mean, in a whatever it is, the other account, eval. I need $4. I'll blow it. See if I can blow the whole thing. I'm kidding. If you hear anything going off right now, it's just me trying to make $4. Got it. Done. Okay. Well, I only got one more eval to work on, and then I have like 10 PA accounts. Top of the orb in the ESs, guys. Top of the orb. Yep, 69.85. Boom. Gold bounced. We'll short the top of the orb in gold. That's up 100 points from here. And I'll leave out the double bottom at 49.63. That's down 70 points from here now. What happened? What did Nick do? Oh, Nick, you been with us? Yeah, nice day today. I tell you, it might be one of our best days of the month today. Been damn good. So again, I will urge everybody, don't be in a hurry to trade anymore. Please. Yes, all right, let's see if we get it on this Nick Papadopoulos. How hard we get, guys? Did we just miss it? We got to 83.25. I don't think we can like it anymore, can we? We came kind of close. All right, let's wait. Let's go up to the pivot point at 90. I'm down with that. Yep. We do not have to be in a hurry to trade anymore today. That's for sure. Boom. I'm in a simulated trading. Where can I see my P&L on a trade? Simulated in what platform, Muriel? Think or swim. You should be able to. Okay. I'm not positive about think or swim. Anyone help Muriel?
Go into monitor on the
Yeah.
left-hand side tab, and you'll see all your open and closed or filled orders.
There you go. No. Go into your monitor. Open and close tab.
Hey Joe, so I'm in there right now, but I don't know where it's at still.
Try trade.
You want to share your
method.
screen for a minute?
Yeah.
Hold on. Muriel, let me bring you up. I'll make you a co-host. You can share your screen. Okay. You should see a little thing where you can share your screen, and then we'll walk you through it. So you're going to take over the screen. You should see something that says share screen.
Okay. Yeah, and I'm wondering actually, because this was the first trade I took in the simulated, I'm wondering if it actually went through. Let's see.
That could be a different story, but we
Who
should get it set
knows?
up so you can see it anyway.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Let's see. Can you see? Oh, there we go.
There you go. So show us what you're looking at. Okay. Now someone help Muriel. Oh,
Muriel, go to your charts, please.
Hold on, let me get this thing out of the way.
Yeah, the Zoom show. Oh, we won't see that. Yeah, so you see that active trader on the right-hand side,
Mm-hmm.
and you're taking simulated trades. If you were to open a trade, see the middle bar right there that's gray above your prices? It says P&L open, et cetera, et cetera. That should show your active trade.
Oh, right up here. Okay. Yeah,
Yes.
that's hard to see.
so
Okay.
you're not in a trade.
I'm not in it. Which
Correct.
stinks because I would have been up right here. It broke through it broke through support, and so I put in a put. But okay. Okay, that helps.
So
Thank
it'll show
you.
right up there.
Mm-hmm.
Boom chakalaka.
All right, DJ, you can do your charts, man.
Got it. On free as the wind blows. YouTube, we're gonna get out of here about 10:30. I'll give away 5 accounts. Because we got a lot of work to do in boot camp today, and we're gonna start early. What is the stop loss for MGC? Yeah, I mean, we don't give it more than 10 points. Again, when I see an ATR of gold of 34 points, why do you want to trade gold? Don't trade it. Why? Why? Again, guys, if you hear any buttons going off, it's just I'm trying to qualify one more account. All right, where do we like to shorten gold, guys? Do we like the top of the orb? What is that? 50.83? Tough one. I don't think we want to mess with gold. If I did anything, it would be 51.05, the middle of the orb. I will do it in my PA, not here. ES's, guys. Did we just miss 90? What we get to? We got to 89, guys, and pulled back 4 points. Sorry. Not going to do it. Not going to do it. Oh, that would have been a nice trade, guys and girls. Damn. Everybody see that technical analysis? We missed it by 1 point, went down 7 points. You piece of dog poop poop. Wow. That was nice. All right, we didn't get it. Next. Next. Dude, you called it on YouTube, previous day close. Yeah, we didn't get it. Pom, pom, pom. Perry, you got a fib where? 69.94. I'm down with that. Look at that, guys. We just went down freaking 7 points. Damn it. Look at me. We had 9 trades today, and I'm mad that we missed one. Buy side, you got 67, 30 EMA. Love it. Put that out. Down 12 points. Good. Oh, you had a fib at 89.07. Nice job. Nice job. Pump, pump, pump. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. Gold was just a spectacular trend trade, guys and girls. And again, I would never do a trend trade in gold, but the 15 EMA was 72.
Dave, adjust your buy side ES.
What do I got? 69.
You have 67. You're off by 200.
What else is new? 69, 67. Boom. But gold set up for a beautiful trend trade and down 20 points off your 15 EMA. Yeah, I ain't doing any trend trades in gold. Just technicals, guys. We hit our 9, we hit our 15, and we rejected. So far for 20 points. That is a trend trade. You were arguing with someone yesterday about who you were arguing with, Gravedigger. They must have had something bad to say about us then. What'd they say? That we're full of shit? What'd they say? You never made it in this business until you have haters. But we step up to the plate every single day, live in real time, for better or for worse. And we do have losing trades. At least anyone think we don't. All right, we can cancel this gold at 49.63. I do like gold on the 65 EMA at 51.03. That is up another 30 points from here. Actually, I'll go to 51.16. For a few minutes. Market super flat. Well, no, we still got a lot of volatility going on. We will start to slow down in a few minutes, though, that I can tell you. Bitcoin up 2,000 points off the lows. MES is coming in. All right. Gold breaking out. My cousin was saying that this had to be a scam. Yeah. But there are still good people left in the world. We're here every day, guys and girls. Like I said, for better or for worse. I can't tell you, and Scotty will tell you too, how many testimonials we get about changing people's lives. Keeping in mind that you got to do the right thing all the time. But we got plenty of success stories. Gold just hit the top of the euro at 84. Yeah, I'm not trading gold anymore. Thanks, but no thanks. Got you, JR. All good. Where's Ken? I want Ken to start about 8:30 today. See here? Okay. Too good to be true. It was an hour-long argument. That's funny. It's all good. Gold just paid 10 points off the top of the Europe, guys. Again, technicals. Look at that. Top of the orb was 84. Went a few points above it. Just paid 10 to 13 points if you did. Boom. All right, I'm going to make a coffee. Boom, boom, boom. Come back. I'll give away some accounts to YouTube. Yeah, the orb works a lot more often than it doesn't.
Have a nice weekend, Dave, and everybody.
You too, Trin. Love you.
Yeah, hugs.
69.98. Davey, you're a room member, right? Yeah. Tuesday and Thursday night slow markets, Davey. We go over that in every single one, okay? Every one. And you're in the boot camp. So we went over it. I think we went over it last night too. But every Tuesday and Thursday night, we got your back. We'll definitely go over it. Keep in mind, everybody here, today is the day, okay? If you want to hook up with Ken or Kevin or Scotty, send them an email. We'll post all their emails. They do private lessons, private group lessons when they have a bunch of people. And you can hook up with them anytime that you want for their private lessons. Boom, boom, boom. And market is starting to die a little bit, guys and girls. Starting to lose a little volume. Starting to die a little bit. Canceling this gold. We are slowing down. So I'm going to make a coffee. We'll give away 5 accounts for everybody. Are we in trend in the ESs yet? That's a good question. I would say so, Alex. I would say we're definitely setting up for a trend. Again, on a day like this, with all this volatility, you know, if I was going to try it, do it in the MESs, right? You got 76 and 73 if you want to try it small. But yes, this is a trend trade now. But we do have a lot of volatility. Keep that in mind. Yeah, we're going to take a 5-10 minute break. Come back. I'll give away some accounts. And we'll get rid of you YouTube people. Take our break at 11 o'clock for real in the trading room. Ken's going to start at 11:30 with watch list, scanners, and the momentum trade, which he is about 90% successful on. So YouTubers, boot campers, we still got a lot to do. Scotty just posted everybody's email. Okay. You have any questions about finding anything in the courses or chart setup? That is Roman. You want to work with Kevin one-on-one? You want to work with Ken one-on-one? You want to work with Scotty one-on-one? Send them an email. That'll change your life. All right, little break time. I'm canceling all my orders. Don't leave any orders out when you're not at your machine ever. Back in 10 minutes. Chill it out. Yeah, all right, guys and gals. Gold broke the bottom of the orb again. Wah, wah, wah. I wouldn't be trading it, though. Jimmy crack corn and we don't care. Bum, 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 my front door. Baby, you don't have to look me in the eye. Stop worrying about the trades of the world. All right, guys and gals. ATES is what happened. Anything? ES, yeah, kind of a break even on the bottom of the orb. You didn't really lose anything. You're making money now. Certainly didn't get stopped out, right? It was a buy, not a sell. So break even at worst if you did it. All right, here we go, guys and girls. I am new to this. Well, I'm saying even if you bought it though, Scotty, you got to break even or you made money. You're going to have more than a 4-point stop if you bought it. Yeah, you would have made it on both sides. Okay, a couple of things for my YouTubers before we get rid of you guys. No offense. So far, out of all the people who are here, about 8 of you are coming into the trading room next week, which is absolutely insane. But it is what it is. All good. Whatever. Lead the horses to water, but we can't make them drink. I'm going to post that email one more time. You'll be with us the entire week next week, trading live and teaching. Stop dragging my heart around. I signed up for the ultimate course. Beautiful. Love it. I'll be getting that trading room today. Excellent. Okay. I'm going to give away 5 accounts. You are going to send an email. Do not send it to me. No, we have no visitors on slow markets. No. That is only for room members. There's my email one more time. Okay, that's it. I'm not posting it anymore. I got you, kids. I'll get to it. I only get about 7,000 emails a day. Okay. I will send you a link to the trading room over the weekend, guys. Those of you who sent it to me, by Sunday, you will have a link to the trading. That was a great day. This has been a spectacular day. Not gone. If you win an account, write this down. You're going to send an email to Roman, not me. Write that down. That's where you're going to send your email to get your free account, not me. Everybody here, write it down. WSGTA.com@gmail.com. And that being said, our first winner is going to be I hate to do it, guys and girls, but I got to give it. I got to give it to Good Loving 5492 if you're here. Number 1. Good Loving 5492, are you here? You are here. Send the email. Good Loving was the first one here in the room this morning at like 7 o'clock. I always give it to the first person who shows up in the room. Our next winner is going to be the second person who showed up in the room. And that is, where are you? I see it. Joe Schmo. Joe Schmo. Are you here, Joe Schmo? There you go, Joe. You are winner number 2. All right. Now I'm going random. Those were the first two people who were here. Now I'm just going up and down, guys and girls. Please don't get mad at me if you don't get called. We're going to do it again on Monday. We'll give away 5 more. The next winner is Days Like This 1000. Are you here? Days Like This 1000. Ah, you're here. Send the email to Roman. WSGTA.com @gmail.com. Holy shit, look at the EES. We almost hit the top of the orb. Crazy, man. We got some volatility coming out of the yingy-yangy today. Wow. Okay. Winner number 4 is going to be. I like to see that a lot of the same people are coming here. We appreciate that. We really do. What do you guys do, Scotty? I didn't see it. ESs? Would you have a fib or something? 76.8. Beautiful. 5 points, guys. 76.8. Went 5 points against you, but you shouldn't have been stopped out if you're in the micros. Okay, winner number 4. Aziza Smith. Aziza Smith, are you here? Aziza is an absolute beginner. I want to get him in and help him out. Yeah, trade was great. Aziza Smith, are you here? Aziza Smith going once. That was a great trade. Holy crap. Just went down 10 points. Aziza Trade, are you here? Going twice. Aziza Trade. Aziza, good. Send an email to this address. And I'm going to give you the email to come into the trading room next week. Okay? You send me an email. Send this email to get your free account. You're just starting out. And then send me an email here, and we'll get you in the trading room next week. Okay? You understand both of those things? You are just starting out. You don't know anything about this. That's why I want to get you in. So send an email to the first address, and then send an email to the second address, and we'll get you in the trading room next week. And the last winner for today is going to be Lizzie, Liz of All Trades. Lizzie Lids of All Trades. Are you here? Lizzie Lids of All Trades. Lizzie Liz. Lizzie Liz. Lizzie Liz going once. Lizzie Liz going twice. Yeah. Lizzie Liz going twice. Lizzie Liz going 3 times. Lizzie Liz is here. Send an email, WSGTA.com @gmail.com. All right, YouTubers. I hope everybody made a couple of bucks today. It was a spectacular week. Spectacular. Great morning this morning. For those of you who don't join us or don't come into the room, I hope you're picking up some nice little tidbits every time we're here. She won on Monday? Really? That is BS. I'll call another one. Okay. Try hard, grow now. Because you picked this up, you got an account. All right? You got it? Try hard, grow now. 37. He must be keeping track of everything. Send an email. You got an account. All right? We'll do more on Monday, guys and girls. We'll give away 5. Guys, the account costs $19 to open right now. You don't need us to give you a free account. Okay? Open up a couple of accounts for $30 and get your asses into the trading room next week. That's worth $1,900. Don't be penny wise and pound foolish. We're giving you the link to the room for free. It's $19 to open up an account. I'm with you, Rash. All right, YouTubers. Great job by everybody today. Let's hope today is the worst day we ever have and tomorrow's a better day. I say peace and love, peace and love, peace and love. I will see about 30 of you now in the trading room on Monday. Okay. Everybody have a great weekend. How do you get in the trading room? You send me an email. Posting it one more time. And over the weekend, I will send you a link. The private trading. Okay. Got it? Boom chakalaka laka. All right. We'll see everybody bright and early on Monday. Green Jeans is out of here like Vladimir Overski and Outski. Loves to all. Everybody enjoy their weekend. Let's hope today is the worst day we ever have and tomorrow's a better day. Let's hope this week is the worst week we ever have and next week is a better week. Bye, 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 bonds.